Hey everyone, welcome back to Utcode. In this video I am going to show you how to use SVG images or files in React Native Expo router. Before diving in, your support means the world for us. If you enjoy the content and you want to see more, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out and ensures you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified as soon as we post new content. So now let's get started. So just type Expo, navigate to Expo docs, official docs. Okay, scroll down to create project, copy this command and go to your terminal, paste it and just click enter. So wait the process to finish. Okay, we should name the project. Okay, just SVG. Okay, SVG fixing. Okay, finally the process of the installation have finished. So just go to cd svg fixing. Okay, and just write code for opening VS Code. Code. Okay. Okay, so in this tutorial I'm using Expo Go. So just okay, I will go to my emulator and enter the Expo Go because I'm already installed Expo Go in my emulator. So just enter this. Press A, open Android. So just press A. So it will open on your Android emulator. So here is the preview of the starting application. Okay, so this is the two tabs, home and explore. Okay, we will not use this. Okay, and okay, just go to home. So in this app, okay, there is okay, the tabs, explore, layout and index. So we will use this index .tsx because is the home. So we will okay, get rid of all of this. Okay, and create a new view. So okay, and this view we will create okay, text. Just enter control space for the recommendation and enter. Also control space. That's it. And here I will write down SVG images. Okay, style. Okay, so font family. Okay, sans, and for font size will be 40. Okay, the width will be 100%, and text align will be center. And for this view I will make it okay, style, and okay, flex. So width, screen, no, it's not screen but 100 VH, height. So the height also here I will save area view. I will wrap this in this save area view. That's it. Okay, here images will goes here after installing the dependencies. Okay, and okay, view. Align content, so align items, center, justify content, center. So okay, I will so test if the local image of React Native should fix the problem without any SVG modules. So let's see how the error will goes here. So just write image and okay, source, okay, require, okay, I will go to assets, svg.1.png. okay, I will specify the width will be 100, height also 100, and I will specify the alt for the indexing, alt, okay, svg image. So okay, for the SVG images assets, so we will go to the assets, create a new folder named SVG, and this inside this SVG folder I will paste the SVG images that I will use in this video, and okay, the link in the description down below for for using these SVGs. Okay, so Control S and go to see if it's work. And what's okay, it could not found within the project or in these directories. Maybe I will reload. That's right, reload. Okay, it's SVG, not PNG. So let's see if it's worked properly. Okay, let's get rid of this. Font weight, bold. Okay, just Control S. I will add some padding. That's it, and I will add border width, border bottom width will be 2, That's it. Okay, and as you can see, the image is not showing in the emulator, so it won't work with the default image from React Native. So to resolve this problem, we will go to install some dependencies. Okay, let's go to. So first we will install React Native SVG. So just type React Native SVG. Enter this software mention React SVG and scroll down until you reach this command. What is okay? This is npx expo install React Native SVG, and go to your terminal, paste it, and hit enter. And second, we will install React Native SVG transformer. So as you can see, there is two versions, which is 2018 and 2021. So we will go to this, and here is the fully documentation. Okay, this is how we will use it. Just import it as a component in React. So that's it. So go to the installation and configuration. Step install React Native library. So okay, first we will install this. Okay, Control C and Control V, and okay, if you are using yarn, just get rid of package log.json, because yarn has the log file of its library. So after the installation, we will configure the React Native packager for Expo SDK 40 or newer, so we will use this. So this is the code that we will use. Control C, and like this is merge the contents from your project metroconfig.js file with this config. Create the file if it does not exist already. So go to your root directory, create a new file, metro.config.js, and paste this. Control S, and okay, and maybe that's it. Okay, if you are using Expo, you also need to add this app.json. So just copy this, Control C, and go to app.json, and here, okay, add this property, Control S. Maybe that's it. Okay, and let's see if it's installed. Okay, just wait for the installation. As you can see, the installation process finished, so let's go to use it now. So import logo from the directory of your SVG's images. So okay, go to here, import port logo from and assets from SVG dot svg, and okay, we will use it like this. Control C, and over here I will do Control V. Let's see, I will start the server. But why this error is found. Cannot find module or its corresponding declaration.ts. Declaration.ts. Let's go to the documentation and blah 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 blah. Okay, if you're using TypeScript, yes, we are using TypeScript. You need to add this to your declarations.d.ts. Okay, let's go. Control C and create one if you won't have already, but okay, don't put it in your root folder. So go to your root folder, create a new folder named lib, and inside this lib I will create declarations.d.ts and paste this. Control S, and as you can see the error is gone. Okay, just run error for reloading the app. Okay, let's see, maybe it should work. Let's go. That's it. This is the icon. Let's import logo 1 from assets svg.to.png and use it here, and like this. And Control S, and that's it. It's working properly. So just let's adjust some styles over here. Styles. Okay, margin 10, and okay, that's it. And as you can see, it's working. Flex direction row. So as you can see, it's working properly. Here is the SVG images, and that's it for today's tutorial on using SVG images in React Native with Expo router. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're excited to use SVGs in your projects. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding, your friend Utcode.